Good morning, guys. In yesterday's video, I was predicting the SPY would move down here, and that's actually exactly what we got. I'll show you guys where I think Bitcoin's gonna go and how to actually make money in this market right now, what my plan is. Let's dive on into this. All right, guys, good morning. Welcome to Trade Confident. My name is Travis Martin. Hope you guys have had a blast hanging out with me on these videos lately. We've been doing a pretty good job at calling these markets, basically the moves that happen before they happen. If you happen to have, a lot happens there, take this put call that we were talking about yesterday, you guys are doing very well. We actually ended up getting what's called a gap down this morning in the SPY, and this is definitely going to impact crypto. So I want to talk to you guys about kind of why this happened and where I think we're going to go. And then in this video, I've shown you guys how I plan on making money on this move down here, which I think is going to set a lot of you guys up for a lot of good success over the weekend here. Quick review here. Why did we drop down? Well, we've got a big descending resistance here. We've got a nice ascending resistance here, as well as a horizontal resistance from this guy right over here. You pair these up together, you're going to get a lot of shorts, or what we call puts, in the market from options traders trading the SPY, and this is going to see a push to the downside. So that's great. Now, let's come back over to Bitcoin and assess what we got over here. Bitcoin actually came out and gave us a signal over here for a sell on the top and bottom finder. So what I want to do now, transition us into this part of the video, is where are we looking for this next best entry here for Bitcoin to move back down to and then see it move back up. I really am looking for the whales in this market here to start continuing, not start, but more so to start selling, as well as continue to sell a little bit more into the market. I don't know if we're going to make it all the way back down to this bottom level, say about maybe a 30, but I do think what's going to happen is we're going to see Bitcoin actually push down to the bottom here of this descending support, and we could actually see a really nice move back up based off the break and the retest. Pause this for a second. Let me show you guys something I don't normally show you. You can snag this membership. It's just $75 a month. You will get the macro metrics that I'm about to show you. Take a look at this. I feel like sometimes when people write in, they say, you know, I feel like people are trading against me on the other side of the computer. What is going on? Let me explain to you guys what's happening there. If you guys can understand what happens emotionally with Bitcoin and Ethereum based off retail traders, and then you actually take a look at what whales and institutions and smart money are doing, if you just watch these metrics on a daily basis, you will see why the trapping happens. Now, let me show this to you guys. Do you observe something here? We're going to pull this into the forefront so you guys can understand where the market's currently at. Emotionally, when Bitcoin heads up to the excited area, this tracks retail traders. When we push up to this excited area and even get close to this greedy section up here, what we're looking for is we're looking for market moves back down. The reason for that is because retail traders who get very excited or greedy, they're telling their friends, hey, my Ethereum position is up 10, 20%. The market's pumping up here. And what happens is you guys who buy into the market are providing the liquidity for the big institutions to sell in the market. Now, let me just come down here and show this to you for Ethereum. Ethereum up here saw a really high move up here price action wise, but what else do you see happen? The actual emotion that is in blue here, which pushed up to greedy. And we can also see over here when we push up to the excited area and greedy over here as well, we saw massive moves back down, massive moves back down. Okay, follow this move right here that I'm about to show you guys emotionally. Now scroll all the way back down here. Let's go to Ethereum now. And do you guys see where that big move is? It's right over here. But do you notice something interesting? The whales and the institutional smart money, they are looking for short trades, for short sentiment in the market. It is actually the biggest value we received over here since probably mid-June, June 15th. So when we see this, we are seeing institutions over here coming and trading against all retail traders, and they're dropping the market out based off the short trades they're taking in the market. We even saw over here where they started to come out very strong. They knew the market was going to keep going up, so they took out their short trades over here, and the market crashed. Alternatively, if you look at this spike over here, the long trades came out very strongly down here, and the market's been moving up ever since then. But on this crash, let's come back up and look what retail traders were doing. They were fearful because the market was going down and they're selling. You can look at Bitcoin over here. They're fearful as well. If you guys watch, I don't mean to turn this into like a sales pitch or whatever, get our membership and watch what emotionally is happening to the market and scroll straight down and look to see what institutions and whales are doing. You guys will see why people say they trade and they feel like someone on the other side of the computer is trading against them every time they place a trade. It's because they're trading emotionally and they're not trading with the institutions and smart money. These guys will trade pretty much exactly opposite of what retail traders do with emotions. Okay, with that said, let me move to the last part of this video of how are we going to get money into this market to make money. money? Well, we see that we have short sentiment coming out in the market, and this is going to be for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'm specifically watching for this. I'll do a pop-up for you guys, but you can get these indicators to watch this. Watch top and bottom finder up here to present us with a buy signal down here that's going to look exactly like this. Watch for well money flow to be low. Watch for trend exhaustion to be low, and this is where we're looking to get money back into the market right here. This goes for Bitcoin. It also goes for Ethereum. We got an absolutely insane, guys, absolutely insane buy signal over here for a very nice move back up. Buy signal over here, call the move back up here. Buy signal here, call the move back up. So what we're watching for is the move back down to then get another buy signal and then see trend exhaustion low here, well money flow low, and this will be what we kind of jokingly call the jackpot setup to get you guys back into the market for the move back up. I will be putting more money back into the market, at minimum another $2,000 out of our account balance, and we have about $12,000, pushing close to $13,000 in cash. On top of this, we also called yesterday that Dogecoin was going to break to the downside, and that's exactly what we got over here. We got a break back down, but if you guys remember from that video, I mentioned we're most likely going to get a break, a retest, and then a move back down. So with a membership, I will be calling this out, but I'm looking for Dogecoin to come down here, actually see a little bit of move back up, probably more so on the 4-hour time frame. If I can just be honest with you guys about this, it's probably going to be a decent little move back up here, and then that's where I'm probably going to take a little bit more profit out, and then we're going to look for the move back down. I'm showing this to you guys on Dogecoin because we've been doing really well with this and we've been mocking it up, but you can do this on all the coins if you're just watching the indicator. Let me show you guys how to get into this. These metrics here, you really want to access, and they're actually updated every day, even over the weekend. We don't do videos over the weekend, so make sure you guys snag that. Real quick, the pricing, $75 a month. But let me give you guys a huge coupon code for our indicators here so you can track this with me. The trend exhaustion and the price versus money flow. These are very good indicators. These are what call our flagship indicators. You're going to get those plus 7 other indicators with our bundle pack. You will get the source codes, and on top of this, when you get the bundle pack, you will be getting immediately a $400 coupon code off the top and bottom finder, which is this guy right up here. This is what everybody's really wanting. We're using this, and we're using these indicators, guys, to literally go 381% higher than the S&P 500, and you can see the breakdown here based off using 1, 2, and 3 buy limits, and we have not lost a single scalping trade yet. It's been very, very lucrative for us. On top of that, make sure you guys are entering the coupon code and setting these all up right now, even over the weekend, and getting the alerts set up. So before I end this video, let me show you guys so you don't have to stick to your charts and you can actually spend some time with your family this weekend. Make sure you're coming over here once you have the top and bottom finder set up, click on top and bottom finder and go to buy or strong buy. The sells, I think we're going to move down a little bit. It's the buy signal you really need to be watching. Go to once per bar and then come down here, go to Ethereum, and then go to buy, and then just create that. I would recommend, guys, also doing a strong buy. So on Ethereum and Bitcoin, do a buy and strong buy, as well as on the SPY. It's not a bad idea to come out and put a buy signal there as well, because we are looking for this next pretty big move back down, looking for that buy signal, and I do think this could be a huge move back up in the market. Although I do think we do have some room here, guys, to move down to the ascending support. So overall, my call in this video is I do think we're going to see a little bit, even yesterday, we called this out, a little bit of a move up here from the structure support here, probably faking some people out, but I do think this is going to continue to head back down here, and then when we get back down here, we need to reassess. So I'll keep you updated on this video, but mainly the next best spot to get money back into Bitcoin and your altcoins to make some money is when well money flow is down here to about 35. You see trend exhaustion low, and if you get any type of buy signal on the Bitcoin chart for the daily or the 4-hour even, not a bad time to get back into the market for a move back up to make money fast on either your scalping trades or just to accumulate more crypto in the market. This stuff works, guys. Have an amazing day. Feel free to come down and look at all of our testimonials if you'd like. In a bear market, thousands of dollars people are making. The indicators really do work. How about this? I'll leave you guys with this. $2,100 in 3 days using the top and bottom finder. It's his first experience. It's not a bad first experience with our stuff. $4,300 in just a single week. I love you guys. Have an amazing day. Everything you need is actually pinned to the comment of this video as well as the description. You guys will be taken right here. Bundle pack first. Get all the indicators, source codes, set them up, have a blast doing that, and then automatically get a $400 coupon code off the top and bottom finder and access those metrics underneath our membership. And we'll see you guys on Monday. See you guys later. Bye, guys.